Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hope all you are doing well. So in today's video, I lay some bricks, I lay some precast. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Let's dive right into the video, guys. Okay, so here this morning we're here to do put those precasts. Gonna put one right there, then we're gonna put another one up there, and then we're gonna go with brick, just like so. So first thing we want to do, we want to pour in some water, and then we pour in our mortar, our type S mortar mix. I'm gonna pour in maybe like half a bag to 3/4 bag. We're gonna add more mortar to it. We're gonna keep on add water and mortar till we reach the consistency of a peanut butter and mayonnaise. Add a little bit more. Then we'll mix again. We're gonna place the foot right on top to prevent it from spinning. As I go down and I come up, try to bring up the dry stuff from down in the bottom. Get a bucket of water and you spin it in like this. Keep him clean, nice and clean. That's it. We test our mortar now. This is perfect. First thing we want to check to make sure all is plumb. You know where they are not. What we're working with. This stone here, you gotta check to see if there's different measurements on both sides. So this side is 13 3/4. Measure our stone here, 13 3/4. The foundation always has to be the strongest part, so let's put 2 brick sides from the start now. So guys, we're putting our brick sides now. Today on this job here, I'm doing it working for a subcontract. The guy who have the contract and call me over and sub it out to me. He's the one who cut this off and just asked to do the brickwork and the stonework. If I were to do this myself, I would tweak this out. So I would cut this out here instead of go with a control joint. I would cut this out, cut this one out, cut all those headers out, and I would return a brick like this and tie it. Now they want a control joint here, so we're doing it the way they want it. So I'm just putting it out there to you guys. If you have something to do like this, in my opinion, it's more stronger to turn this one here and tie them in order. But I'm using a lot of brick ties to get it, the strength gonna be there still, but I would rather to turn it this way, just so you guys know. there you have it, guys. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a like. It's really help YouTube to promote it so that others can view and learn from as well. And share it with your friends. They can learn something as well. Do subscribe for the latest and greatest video. I have lots more great video like this one coming up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.